In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a bio on Redbubble. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, a compelling bio can greatly enhance your profile by providing potential buyers with a glimpse into your creative world. Let's walk through the process together, making it as smooth as possible. First things first, navigate to the Redbubble homepage. Redbubble is a unique platform where independent artists share and sell their work. Once you're there, take a moment to admire the vast collection of awesome products, each telling its own story through design. Now, to get started with your own story, you'll need to log in to your account. Click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is quick and straightforward, but assuming you're all set, let's proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Take your time to enter these details correctly to ensure a smooth login process. It's essential to keep this information secure and to choose a strong password that's hard to guess. If you've forgotten your password, most platforms offer a password reset function, so keep an eye out for that option if needed. Once you've input your credentials, hit the login button to access your account. You're now a step closer to crafting that perfect bio that encapsulates what you and your art are all about. Now, with access to your account, it's time to personalize your profile. Start by clicking on your profile at the top right corner of the page. This action will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. In this menu, look for the account settings option and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can customize different aspects of your Redbubble experience, including your public bio. Once in the account settings, locate and click on the bio section. Here's where you can really showcase what sets you apart. Writing a bio might feel daunting at first, but try to think of it as telling a story. Who are you as an artist? What inspires your work? Maybe you can share a bit about your artistic journey, your techniques, or what themes you explore in your creations. Remember, authenticity resonates, so share what genuinely inspires you. In the bio section, you'll find a text box where you can type your story. Take your time to craft a bio that feels true to you. This is your opportunity to connect with your audience, so make it count. Consider drafting your bio in a text editor. If you want to take your time, then copy-paste it into the box once you're happy with it. After pouring your creativity into crafting the perfect bio, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click on it to update your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added a personal touch to your Redbubble profile, helping to make your artist page more engaging and relatable to visitors. Remember, your bio is not set in stone. As you grow and evolve as an artist, so too can your bio. Feel free to come back and tweak it as often as you like, keeping it fresh and reflective of your current artistic phase. In today's session, we've covered how to log into your Redbubble account, navigate to the bio section, and craft a bio that speaks to your unique journey and style. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to share your artistic voice with the world. Creating an engaging bio is just one step in your artistic journey on Redbubble, but it's an important one. It's your introduction to potential fans and buyers, an opportunity to make a connection and leave a lasting impression. So take your time, be genuine, and let your creativity shine through your words. Thank you for joining me in today's video tutorial. We're excited to see the incredible bios our talented Redbubble community will craft. Keep creating, keep sharing, and who knows, your bio might just be the spark that intrigues someone to explore your art further. Happy creating, and until next time, keep your creativity flowing.